Ben.
Go. Little boy, 6 years old, a little too used to being alone. Another new mom and dad, another school, another house that'll never be home. When people ask him how he likes his place, he looks up and says with a smile on his face, "This is my temporary home. It's not where I belong. Windows and rooms that I'm passing through. This is just a stop on the way to where I'm going. I'm not afraid because I know this is my temporary home." Young mom on her own, she needs a little help, got nowhere to go. Looking for a job, looking for a way out, 'cause a halfway house will never be a home. At night she whispers to her baby girl, "Someday we'll find a place here in this world. This is my temporary home. It's not where we belong. Windows and rooms that we're passing through. This is just a stop on the way to where we're going. I'm not afraid because I know this is our temporary home." Yes, man. Old man, hospital bed, the room is filled with people he loves, and he whispers, "Don't cry for me, I'll see you all someday." He looks up and says, "I can see God's face. This is our temporary home. It's not where we belong. The windows and rooms that I'm passing through. This is just a stop on the way to where I'm going. I'm not afraid because I know this was my temporary home." This is my temporary home.
Oh yeah, they were singing along with it.